digital, where we can find everything online. But where CMPL is there, so CMPL actually connects the buyers and the suppliers emotionally as well as professionally, where they can meet, greet, and see the capabilities and caliber of the supplier. And especially when it comes to third party manufacturing, trust is the utmost factor, and in person meetings are always crucial when someone is starting an entire business or a career. So I feel CMPL is a very much needed platform with all almost as usual. CMPL is the benchmark in exhibition history of India, where CMPL has performed international standards and due diligences to host this international cadre of exhibition. Specifically, when it comes to our booth, Fresio Herbals, we are very keen to have buyers like wholesalers, modern trade outlets, and the brand owners and brand purchase managers and research scientists, where we can contribute our research, our innovation, and our product line to share their business ideas, and many more innovation discussions we have taken place here at CMPL. See, my approach of co-creating a successful product with a brand is making their vision a reality, making their ideas and concepts to the earth with the realistic format of manufacturing methods and ethical practices of batch manufacturing records and BPR records. Sustainability always and clean label is always a demand of all kind of brands, since our world of era is going towards a sustainable atmosphere and environment, and clean beauty is always a need of the time for the future. So I would bang on for the clean beauty and sustainability. Thank you so much, and I especially thank CMPL management team for supporting us and giving us an opportunity to exhibit here and share our ideas with the brand owners. Thank you CMPL for making us associate partner. Thank you.